Going to share my screen. So here is your chapter. Yes, here is a chapter. Re goes to the market. Acha, hopefully for a few days you are absent. Don't worry. Again, Monday I will repeat this chapter. I will start revision from this chapter. Okay. So don't worry. Acha. So yes, so it was left yesterday. Page 52. Page 52, it is written that, see, it is written, the shopkeeper washes and chops. The shopkeeper washes and chops them. They refers in this sentence about guava. The shopkeeper washes and chops the guava. Jishan, look at your book, open page. Look at your book and open the page. This is English literature book. How was the guava? The guava, they are green on the outside and pink inside. So the guavas are green on outside and pink inside. She sprinkles rock salt on them. On them mean on the guavas. Crunch. Rick bite into a piece. It is sweet and salty. Rick and Mr. Dash eat their guavas. I cannot wait to show Mummy what we have bought. So I cannot wait to show Mummy what we have bought, says Rick. It means that Rick is very much excited to show all the items that those they have brought from the market, the vegetable, fruits, everything, as they walk home together. After saying this sentence, they went for the home. Let me tell you what is the meaning of sprinkles. Samiha, what is going on? Be attentive. Sprinkles mean puts rock salt over something. Okay? Put something. Here it is mean that put rock salt over something. Over something mean over the guavas. Samiha, unmute your device. You are talking too much. During the class, you are talking too much with someone. Unmute your device. What happened? Be attentive in the class. And parents are requested, don't be with your child. Be attentive. Last time telling you, Samia, I told you unmute your device, but you didn't do that. Unmute your device. Tell me what is the meaning of sprinkles? What is the meaning of sprinkles? Speak in English. This is English class. What is the meaning of sprinkles? Adrita, Obhinava, Mariam, switch on your video. What is the meaning of sprinkle? Third time asking you. That is why I said be attentive. Acha. Now, Upama, tell me what is the meaning of sprinkles? Upama, tell me. What is? Very, very good. Tamiya, just check. I'm asking 5 students and let me check. My question is wrong or you are doing something wrong. Let me check. Let me check. Each and every day I say that now, Samiha, be attentive in the class. You are not at all attentive, but I know you are very good student. Poshita, tell me, What is the meaning of sprinkle?
I am.
Poshita,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the meaning of sprinkles.
Ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you say.
Ma'am.
Yes, Poshita, I can hear you. Tell me.
I not understand.
You not understand. Very good. How you will understand? Your mind is somewhere else. While teacher is teaching, you are doing something else. You are showing your tongue in the camera. Tabasum, tell me what is the meaning of sprinkle?
CTR.
What, Tabasum?
CTR.
Is in English. Tell me in English.
CTR.
মানে কি তুমি বলো এটার মানে কি?
CTR.
CTR. No, no. Put something, put rock salt over something. Put rock salt over something. Here something referring guavas. Yes, Shubhro. Say.
Put rock salt or something. Put rock salt over something.
Yes. Here it is the meaning. Here this is the meaning. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Shubhro. Ha, Tabasum. That one. Shubhro, too much network problem again. Acha. Let me ask you another question. Let me ask the meaning. Greengrocer. Acha, Jishan, tell me. Who is a greengrocer?
Yes.
Who is a greengrocer?
Vegetable.
Greengrocer mean vegetable. Vegetable and greengrocer same word.
No, ma'am.
So tell me the answer. What is the meaning of who is called greengrocer? Who is called?
Sobji Vikreta.
Shobji Bikreta. Is it a Bengali class? You are saying me Shobji Bikreta. Speak in English. It is written in the book, and yesterday I said that learn the chapter, learn all word meaning. I will ask you tomorrow. Did I say? একদম পড়ছো না? No. Very bad. Mahir. Yes, say. Who is a greengrocer? Say. No need to raise your hand, student, because I know who really knows the answer and who are not. So let me choose you. Drop your hand.
Good morning, ma'am.
Tell me the answer, Mahir.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. Tell me who is a greengrocer.
A person who sells sun. Who sells fruit.
You are busy to talk with your parents. A person who sells fruit and vegetable. Okay, you are not allowed to read the sentence from the book. Bunch. Shruti, tell me, what is the meaning of bunch? And don't check the answer from your book. Bunch. What is the meaning of bunch? Okay, asking you another question. Okay?
Together.
Bunch means not together. I'm giving you one example. I can say that we live together in a family. We cannot say we live bunch in a family. Bunch is something different. Okay, I'm asking you another question. Okay. Vegetables are good for you. Vegetables are good for you. Who says this word to whom? Look at the camera and say, vegetables are good for you. Who says this sentence to whom? This is why every day I said, learn the chapter in your home. Acha, please drop your hand, Upama, because I know. Acha, Shubham, unmute your device.
Mr. Das.
Acha, Mr. Das says the words. Very good. Acha. Mopoli, drop your hand. Paban, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, Mr. Dash and we go to the school, market or hospital?
Market.
Acha. Market. That you can tell me, please give me a loaf of bread. Please give me a loaf of bread, 6 eggs and a kilo of curd. Who says these words to whom?
Mr. Das.
Mr. Dash to
Yes, father.
Mr. Dash says these words to whom? To whom?
To whom?
Hmm? Give the answer by yourself. You are asking to someone. Don't do it. You are not studying in the home at all. No one. Few students are there. Acha. Now Ridhan. And I'll also
Yes,
request to
ma'am.
the parents, please don't try to help them because I'm getting your voices also. Acha. Please give us a packet of banana chips. Who says these words to whom? Hmm? You are murmuring something. Time over. If you really know the answer, it will take only 1 second. Mubasir, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want some banana chips? Do you want some banana chips? Who says these words to whom?
Mr. Laird says.
Why you are looking at the book? Why you are looking at the book? Did I say? Did I say? Close your book. Asking you another question. Close your book. You eat chocolates every day. You eat chocolates every day. Who says these words to whom? You eat chocolates every day. Who says these words to whom?
Mr. Das says to Rick.
Yes, very good. Very good. Acha, Ankit Gati. Close your book, Ankit.
Yes,
Can I buy?
ma'am.
Okay, now listen to me. Can I buy them with the money I have? Who says these words to whom? Can I buy them with the money I have? Who says these words to whom?
Rick says.
Rick says. Rick asks this word to whom? To whom he
Rick says.
Rick says, but to whom? কাকে বলেছে? To whom? To whom he says these words? Why you are muting your device, Ankit? Unmute your device. Leave it. Why you are experimenting with your device? Continuously you are muting, unmuting your device. Why, Ankit? Riddhima, unmute your device.
Rick said, Mr. Das.
For you, another question. Can you tell me what is bad for the teeth? What is bad for the teeth?
Chocolate.
You are not giving me the answer. Someone else is saying you and then you are replying me. And you are also looking to them. Don't do
Chocolate.
this.
It's bad for teeth.
This is not your answer. I'm sorry to say you are not giving me the answer. When you will by yourself will reply to me, that time I will unmute you. Otherwise, no. Parents, you don't know, you are silently killing their future. Don't help them. If they are not able to give me the answer, if they are not able to reply to me, it's mean they are not studying at all near home. Give them punishment. But don't help them in the class. That please don't help them. You are telling them the answer and they are replying to me. What is going on? This is not the class. If they can't do this, absolutely this is their fault. Let them get the punishment. Indrayud is not attentive in the class. Very much irregular student. Very much irregular student, Indrayud. So I will not ask you any question. Very much irregular. Very much. Too much irregular student, Indrayud. Sometime you join in the class, sometime you vanish from the class. I don't know why. And before the exam, few week you attend the class and then the whole year, no. Debarpar, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Debarpar, your question is, one minute, let me choose the question. How many bananas? How many bananas Rick buys from the fruit seller? How many bananas?
6 bananas.
6 bananas. No, tell me how many guavas? How many guavas Rick buys from the
2.
two guavas? Yes, very good. Okay, mute your device. Acha, Adrita Ghosh, unmute your device. Adrita, unmute your device. Adrita, unmute your device. Adrita, tell me after greengrocer, acha, tell me the name of the item that Rick buys from the greengrocer. Tell me the name of the item those Rick bought from the greengrocer.
Egg, guava,
Egg.
banana.
Egg also. We also get egg from greengrocer. From greengrocer we can take bananas. How? When greengrocer, a person who sells fruits and vegetables, but in their book it is not mentioned here. I ask you that tell me the name of the item that they brought from the greengrocer, and you said egg, bananas. No, it is not written. Okay, mute your device. Shorish, unmute your device. Shorish, so tell me the name of the item that they bought from greengrocer. Yes. You cannot tell me.
No, ma'am.
Why? Okay. Bedesrita, tell me.
Repeat question. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the name of the item that we bought from greengrocer.
A bunch of peanuts, a kilo of tomatoes, and half a kilo of beans.
Very, very good. Excellent answer. Very, very good. Thank you. Excellent. Very, very good. Very impressive. Ognidipta, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Acha. Tell me the name of the fruit that the fruit seller was selling in the stall. Can you tell me the name of the fruits that the fruit seller was selling in the stall?
Red apples, green pears, yellow bananas, pineapples, papayas, and jackfruit.
Very good, Acha. Not pears, guavas. In English, guava.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very, very good. Very good. Acha, mute your device. I'm having only 1 minute, and within 1 minute. Mopoli, what is in your mouth? Lollipop. Huh? Putting something in the putting something in our mouth while we are doing a very serious job, or while you are doing a class, putting something in the mouth, it indicates that you are not at all interested in the class. It doesn't matter that what is going on. See, ma'am is talking. We no need to listen to ma'am. For the whole week you are absent in the class. Don't do it. Acha, Sufyan, unmute your device. Remaining student, I mean 4 to 5 students are there. They will ask by me Thursday. Positively, I will now. Any day I can ask you question. Randomly, I will check that you are studying in the home or not. And you can think that why, ma'am, you didn't inform us that today you will ask us question from the chapter. No, I will not inform you. Randomly, I will ask you question. Randomly, any day. Any day I can ask you from any chapter. You have to study in the home. You have to be updated. This is your duty. Sufyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Sufyan, tell me, Rick eats the guava with sugar or rock salt?
Rock salt.
Rock salt. Yes, very good. Very good. So today I'm giving you one homework. That your homework is read the chapter, each and every sentence very carefully. So that Thursday, 5 students will be asked by me. Okay, and you have to read the chapter fluently. Fluently, you have to read the chapter. Okay, so chalo. And also we'll solve. Acha Upama, yes, I know. Few students are left by me, but what I ask you, I know that I ask you that one. Time over today, another class I am having. Try to understand, Baba. Next day, definitely I'll talk to you, and again we have to solve this exercise A B. So Thursday in the class, we will do this first, and don't forget to read the chapter. Okay, chalo, bye bye.